This is Doris from the Art and Nature Center at the Peabody Essex Museum, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little mini celebration poster. So I've written the words celebrate over top of mine, but you can write whatever you like. And the way that I made this was I painted the palms of my hands and I left prints everywhere. There's a really neat write-up of this project and the context of this project on pem.org that you might want to check out. So this one's a little easier to see. You can see all of the handprints, and then I did a fist print here that I think you can see pretty well too. I really like this activity because I get to get messy, and that's my favorite. If you only have acrylics, you definitely want to water them down a little and add some soap. Some hand soap or some liquid dish soap in order to make them easier to wash off. If you have tempera paint, that's already washable, and if you have finger paint like this, that's perfect. So I'm going to work my way through the rainbow by mixing, so I'm actually going to start with blue. I'm going to put a little bit of blue paint in here in my bowl, and I'm making sure to keep things around the edges because I'm going to use this bowl for everything. And you don't have to do the entire rainbow. I like doing the rainbow because there's more colors involved. If you have a favorite color or maybe 2 or 3 colors you think go really well together, that is good as well. So I'm going to start by painting the palm of my hand and my fingers here. Painting all the way up each finger and spreading the paint out as I go. I don't want too many places where it's extra thick. So now I've got my blue hand, and I'm going to press it against one corner of my sheet. I like to press on my fingers and my palm to make sure they're really stuck, and then I'm going to peel it off. So since this is the first color, my hand was pretty dry and the paint was pretty dry, so it really stuck hard to the paper. Oh, I even got some paper on my hand, but that's okay. So now after blue, I'm going to mix blue and red to make purple. And then I'm going to paint my hand purple and do my second handprint. And there we go. And then after this more indigo-like color, this purple color, I'm going to move into red. And I am going to wipe my brush on a little rag. I can wipe my hand too. I don't have to wash my hand after every color. I like the blending that happens. I'm going to put my red hand right here. Press, 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 press. Definitely still purple, but I can add some fresh red and make as many colors as I want as I go around, because I'm just mixing the first color with the second color as I go around, and print right here. So after red, I want to do orange. So I'm gonna actually wash my hand between these two colors really well so that the purple doesn't mix with the orange. And I'm gonna wash my brush. All right, so to go from red to orange, I need to add some yellow. And then I'm going to mix those two. All right, orange. And after orange comes yellow. So I'll wipe my hand again and use my pure yellow paint for the next hand print. Press that right here. And then do you know what comes between yellow and blue? It's green. So I'm going to use my blue paint over here and my yellow paint here and mix up a nice green color and then paint my hand green. All right, and my green is going to go right in this corner. And now that I've done all these handprints, I want to do a fist print too. So I'm going to use the colors that are left over in my palette and mix those together and see what color I get there. Usually it makes brown, but I think I had a lot more yellow and blue here. So it's kind of a very dark green color. Now I'm going to press my fist right in this openish area here. And I like to rock it a little bit so I can get all the edges. And then lift up And there's my fist in celebration as well. Because sometimes when we're celebrating, we dance like this, and sometimes we dance like this, and we throw our hands up in celebration. And that's what this poster is all about. So you can share your finished poster with us with the hashtag pempod or hashtag PeabodieEssex. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to clean yourself up really well after you have all this finger paint on you. Have a good day.